Mr. David Hennessy, the attorneys for Rosie and Baldwin, filed a motion called a petition to strike gratuitous and demeaning commentary and/or findings from the contempt order, which states that on January 29th, Prosecutor McClelland filed his verified information of contemptuous conduct. Despite Mr. McClelland's failure to follow proper procedure, the court afforded him a hearing on his spurious allegations. The only issue before the court was whether Mr. McClelland, the prosecutor, could prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defense counsel acted willfully and intentionally in relation to purloining discovery materials and accidentally misdirected email and violated a gag order. The court held that the prosecutor, Mr. McClelland, failed to meet that burden, and the court referenced the preponderance of the evidence standard was unnecessary and not applicable to the issue raised. The defense states in their motion several defense counsel with over 100 years of combined experience testified and submitted affidavits that the defense counsel in this case conducted themselves properly, typically for counsel representing a citizen accused of crimes, and with due diligence and care. The court has no experience representing a citizen accused of committing a crime, and the court's commentary and findings of sloppiness, negligence, and incompetence are outside the issues, not supported by evidence, gratuitous and unnecessary, demeaning, and had no legitimate purpose in relation to the court's order and in rulings on most of the defense pleadings. The court simply wrote "denied" without hearing. The lack of such brevity with the contempt order illustrates the gratuitous nature of the demeaning comments. The comments and our findings referenced herein and other exhibitions of the court's bias against, disdain for, and animosity towards the court's defense counsel, an additional cause for recusal. So, what do you think? Do you think Fran Gull will recuse herself this time? I don't think so. I think she should, because it's obvious that she can't be fair and impartial to this client. However, the defense is at least successful in building a paper trail toward the prejudice the judge has shown to the defense. And there's really not much she can do about the defense building that. At this point, I really kind of think the defense is building evidence for a case against her. So I don't know, that's just my thoughts. Tell me what you think. I always like reading your comments, and I try to respond to them in a timely manner. And I'm actually honored that people stop by and listen to my videos. I appreciate y'all so much. So today is Mother's Day. You all have a great day, and I am going to go do my Mother's Day. Later, Gator, after a while, Crocodile.